Hello everybody, we are from Group 6. We're gonna talk about marriage, family, church, society. Family is important to the society because they have the ability to reproduce, and the children are the ones who perpetuates the society. Families also have important role in taking care of the children, teaching them the basics on what are the do's and don'ts in the society because children don't always know what to do, especially at a young age. The family is the primary unit for socializing children. As previous chapters indicated, no society is possible without adequate socialization of its young. It helps regulate sexual activity and sexual reproduction, and it provides its members with a social identity. The purposes of the marriage and family is to multiply and share the word of God, as he said, "Be fruitful, multiply, and replenish the earth." One purpose of marriage is to have a person who can rely to when things go sideways, and the purpose of parents is to let the children feel protection, completeness, and enjoyment. Marriage is part of God's ordained plan, providing the world with a picture of His beautiful creature, together a man and a woman. On the other hand, for us, marriage becomes the means for married couples to demonstrate our eternal love for God. Family as a domestic church basically means having a little church inside the house. Its mission is to have the children the habit to pray, read the Bible, and to be a family worshiping and praying together where God is the center of the family. The family becomes the domestic church because it is the place where children first hear the word of God and the call to faith. We also learn how to share love through prayers, good deeds, and morals. The vision of a Christian family is a family where Christianity can be felt and seen through the family, and a happy family that makes God the center of it and know that God's plan is the best plan. Strengthening the Christian family is through consistent prayers and worshiping together so that everyone in the family can maintain a meaningful communication and relationship. A family that is committed and faithful can go through everything together because they believe that God solves everything. They become a Christian family as they give unconditional love through Christ. And that's all about marriage, family, church, and society. Thanks for watching.